Hello everyone, I am Tithi Agrawal, Solutions Engineer here at Athena Intelligence. We are building an enterprise AI analyst for Fortune 500s. Today we'll be talking about contextual knowledge and knowledge-based agents in Athena. Enterprises have vast amounts of data that they want their new AI co-workers to know about. Imagine this law firm Pearson Spector from Suits. They would have vast amounts of historical data in email chains, client presentations, settlement calculation in forms of Excel, and tons of case files. Any new employee that joins this firm can have access to all this data present in the file room of the firm, which acts as a knowledge base for that employee. Similarly, we inject context into our legal agent in the form of a knowledge base. The knowledge base for our legal agent here will act as this folder containing all contracts, legal research documents, and regulatory filings. You can define a knowledge base for any agent while creating the agent. For example, here the folder that we have with all the regulatory filings is connected to this legal agent as its knowledge base. Knowledge bases in Athena can contain vast amounts of data that can range up to millions of documents and any type of data ranging from all these file types. Now let's say Louis here has a special request for Mike that requires him to pay extra attention to some case files that are very particular for a particular case. In that case, we introduce a concept called workbench that acts as a focused context for our agents. This will act as the specific case files that Mike will require to deal with this case. The workbench acts as a focused context for the duration of the conversation that you're having with the agent. Let's see an example here. We have this particular case file that Mike has to deal with today to our workbench. Now, our legal knowledge base agent has this folder as its knowledge base, and we have also attached this specific case file to its workbench. Now let's try asking a very particular question about this particular case to our agent. Such type of focused context comes into picture, and it's particularly important where your knowledge base expands and grows in size and you need some specific information from a particular file. As you can see, the agent has provided very typical information about the whistleblower who played a crucial role, and the agent has taken the sources as the file that we attached to the workbench as well as a subset of the entire knowledge base that was provided to the agent. Now let's ask a very specific question about our case file to the agent. Nice. Our legal agent has generated a very nice tabular structure of the defense and the prosecution's arguments for the case file. As we can see, it has also cited the source of where it got the information from. Let's add this to our space and check out the document that it used to get the information. In the sources, we can also see that it has referred to the particular file attached to the workbench as well as a subset of the knowledge base that it had access to. This is how we provide contextual knowledge in Athena so that our agents have as much relevant information as they can and provide the best performance. Thank you.